Idea is AI recruiting app. This is the starting point from where the AI generates your UI and then you scale your app. So this is the best part about Databutton. You don't only build a prompt to UI, but you build scalable, full-fledged app which you can sell to people and a lot of customers can use it. So the app name is AI Recruiting App. Description, I'll fill it up. To record, the recording needs to be saved. Audio needs to be extracted. A very initial start of the app. So I'll just leave it here. The target audience. So I'm building this app for the recruiters. Let's say for the recruiters, HRs, I always stick to minimal. You can just change it to anything else. And I click the generate starting point. So when we click this generate starting point in Databutton with few minimal idea about our app is Databutton goes through this guidelines which we provided in the initial step. It creates a workspace for us. It extracts the guidelines from there and it starts to analyze the scope. You are building a scalable app. You don't just build one UI. For that, you need to scope into specific features. And Databutton starts to plan how to do that. Starts with a very simple UI and it gives a welcome message to us. And UI looks pretty simple as we asked for. It's like you have a start recording and a button to start and stop recording. This light and dark mode, it's pretty simple. It should be around 80 to 100 lines. Yeah, it's around 60 lines of code, React code. And now next part would be to add more features to this app. The start recording button should, and there must preview of the recorded video when it's stopped. Now I see the live feed here. Or yeah, start recording. Okay, let's hope it works better now this time. And okay, it's not that bad. I will just say, now can you create a backend that would use a button and extract the audio from the video which was just recorded and put the audio in Databutton storage backend and be triggered by the save recordings button on the front end. Okay, so I want a save recordings button here, somewhere here in our front end that would trigger backend calling, which will use something called as video processing. And this video processing backend would extract the audio from my videos. It will store in our storage, which can be any storage. It can be Superbase or it can be Firebase or any other storage. So let's see what it wrote at this point. This backend, which uses FmpEg, which is a very popular library, which takes in a particular video. And that part is also sometimes crucial, that how it takes it. And then it just, it reads, use FmpEg to extract the audio from the video. Before that, it creates a temporary file to extract the audio and it passes that particular temp audio path, I think, yes. And then it again extract the audio file and store it in Databutton storage as a binary file. If you see one thing out here, Databutton uses its own Python library, which is Databutton as DB, and this is used to store it. Databutton has all these extra additional features like its home-built storage. You can store everything out here. For a demo, I'll just show this storage. And also another internal tool which Databutton uses is the brain. This brain is somehow Databutton connects this backend or the fast API router. These are nothing but fast API routers. Connects to this front end, this React front end, which is now almost 222 lines of code. It started now, and let's see what I record. So I will just stop. Yes, it started now, and let's see what I record. So I will just, okay, so I'll just save recording. It should trigger this video processing, post extract video. Oh yes, it's done. Super cool, right? You saw this. And it has created a unique file with this name with .mp3. I'm very happy with this. Okay, so until this part, it did it very successfully. I can just record another one. 1, 2, 3, hello, 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 hello. And another one. 1, 2, 3, hello, let's hello, hello, hello. So I'll just click the save recordings now. And it see this, oh, this is super cool. And it created another one. Perfect. So this is working. So now we have one feature up, which is record a video, extract the audio, dump it in our storage. Next part, I'll just create a new thread because the thread can sometimes be overflowing. More context window, the more messages going to our LLM, which is basically Claude Sonnet 3.5. The next part is, can you use the audio key from the home page widget source to a new backend. This new backend will perform. Let's start with summarization. We can then alter the prompt to fit with need. Okay, let's see. And I asked to create a new backend. Which will do this task. So it's a new backend which it created called as audio summarization. If I'm not wrong, here it shows. And the task is, as I wrote in the particular prompt, the task of it would be to load it from here, and then use OpenAI LLM to convert audio to text and then perform summarization. I think we need a few more iteration on building this backend, but it's not so straightforward. If you see audio to text and then text to LLM summarization. So basically it's just 2 steps we need. Let's see how far we can go with it and how far the agent understands. So it's doing it with an audio key. There's an error, we'll just come to that. It's actually loading it from Databutton storage, passing the audio file, passing it to Whisper. Databutton understood it, transcribed to OpenAI API, and it used Whisper to transcript it, and the transcript is, wow, it's passed to GPT-4o to summarize it, and then here goes the summarization. So we see an error, and I think this error is basically it needs OpenAI API key. Let's see what. Yeah, it understood. The agent understood that it needs to have OpenAI key. I will quickly give it the OpenAI key of mine. Okay, it's time to give the OpenAI API key, and I will just give it here. I will send it. What Databutton agent would do is, it will store it back out here. It saved it. Okay, and now if I go here, I need to say, I just a new thread and just say that I think it shows a secret name. I have added the OpenAI secret. Can you please double check why you still throwing me the error? Okay, so it didn't reload. That's why it's throwing me that error. But let it just confirm. Let it just go and check it, and let it show me just a green signal. This is just now it's red because it still thinks that it has not it does not find a secret with OpenAI key. Reloading this entire thing just to show that it's properly, it's properly initialized. And this would actually do that, because when a new code is added, it automatically gets fixed. Yeah, as I said. Perfect. Let's integrate the audio summarization in see how far we have gone. I'll just check back again with this brain function, and you see brain here. I am Avro. I am doing a live demonstration of AI recruiting app, which is built in Databutton using Databutton's AI agent, and we're almost there. Let's see. Let's do this way. Hi, I am Avro. I am doing a live demonstration of AI recruiting app, which is built in Databutton using Databutton's AI agent, and we're almost there. Let's see. We save it. Serving is working every time, and we try to summarize the audio. Oh yes, you see, we have it. Always giving a live demonstration of AI recruiting app built using Databutton's AI agent. He mentions that they are close to completion of demonstration. Ooh, this is super cool. Okay, I'll just take a break. I'll just come back and we'll make a few more changes here. Our key features, which we said is working now. Next aim is just to make sure that, we tweak the prompt a bit of prompt engineering. We can do it ourselves as well. We don't need the agent to do that.